Okay, hello everybody. Today we will discuss about the sequence file in Hadoop. Here we are discussing a sequence file which we can use in Hadoop framework. To work with the Hadoop based system, the first step would be to get the file in HDFS first. Hadoop does not work well for the lot of small files, that is files that are having a size smaller than the typical HDFS block size. So so if we're having a small files, so lot of small files that having each having a size of 10 KB. So if you load this file, upload this file in HDFS individually, you upload each file in HDFS. So it will create a burden on the name node. The name node will become bottleneck, and to avoid this we are having a sequence files. Sequence files are the containers of this lot of small files. It is used to hold the lot of small files that we can want to deal with the in a Apache Hadoop framework. So sequence files are the binary format that store the file in the form of key and value. So here, suppose we take another example. Suppose you having a 5 images, image 1, image 2. So you having a name of the images that are having an extension. So if you process the images inside the Hadoop file system, so first you have to load the file images in the HDFS. So by using a command copy from local to put the data from a local file system to HDFS. Suppose you have a file 5 images and you are trying to upload the file in HDFS. So first step should be the copy the file from a local file system to HDFS. So here HDFS having a daemons name node. It contains the name node as a master node of the system and having a multiple data nodes that are working as a slave nodes here. So here we are having a slave node 1 that contains the data that provide the physical storage and in the form of blocks. So if we individually upload the file in HDFS, then it will create a burden on the name node. Name node contains a metadata of each file that you have uploaded in HDFS. So it will handle the hierarchical file system that store the location of the file that are associated with the location as well as the data node location. So HDFS having a data nodes that contains blocks and block having a size. Each block having a size is 64 MB. So if you are trying to upload a file in HDFS that having a size 10 KB. So if the file is stored in some blocks in data nodes, and name node will hold the location of the file and as well as the location of the file where it is stored. So suppose you have a 5 images, so the name node will hold the location or the address of the 5 images in the data nodes. So the name node will become a bottleneck to hold the small file. So to avoid this condition or the problem, we have a solution: sequence file. Sequence file are the key value format that store the small file in the form of key and values. So key is the metadata of your file. Suppose you're having a file name as image.png. This is your name, this is your key as the metadata of the file, and the content of the image it is treating as a value for that key. So here it is stored the value in the form of key and values. So if we're talking about the structure of the sequence file, so here we are having a sequence file structure having a header. The structure of the sequence file start from the header. Header is basically it contains some metadata information about the sequence file. It contains a version. Sequence file, this is the header format. Sequence file header format. It contains a version, key class name, value class name, whether the data is compressed or not. We are having a is compressed. 8 returner boolean value is compressed. So here we are having a different here, and another one is compression codec, metadata and synchronous marker. So it is a header file format that contains this type of information, and the header followed by the we having a records. So here it is stored the record. In the record having a record len and the key len and the key and value pair. Key is the metadata of the file and the value contains the content in the form of binary format. So here we are having a record 1, record 2. So inside a sequence file we are having a compression type. We have 3 type of compression in a sequence file: uncompressed, block level compressed, and record level compressed. If we are talking about the uncompressed, the file is not compressed if you are using a compression type as none. So this is the first compression. First compression type is none, and second having a record level compression, record compression type. So in this case, the each record is compressed by followed by the which we are using here. Suppose if we are using a compression codec is gzip, the each record is compressed in the form of gzip compression. It uses the algorithm gzip. So here if we are using we are having a compression technique, compress, gzip, deflate, and your deflate compression and LZO compression. So you can compress the each record using a record compression type. So if we are not using a record compression, we are having a block compression. So the whole block is compressed in one go. So the record compression type having a disadvantage. So we have to compress each record. So but for the block level compression, so the whole block is compressed. So if we have compression of whole block, then the whole block is compressed until the block is not written in the key and value format. So this is the advantage of the sequence file in Hadoop. If we are dealing with the small files, you can easily implement a sequence file as an input format or output format for Hadoop. So Hadoop provides some APIs for the sequence file. You can implement the sequence file in a MapReduce model. So you can convert the data into a text format to sequence file, or you can take as a input to the mapper space in the form of sequence files that contains the data in the form of key and value format, and then you can retrieve the data from a sequence file as you want in a binary format and other text format. Okay, this is all about the sequence file in Hadoop. If you want to learn more, visit at easylearning.group, and thank you so much.